Alright, back in another session. What we're trying to do tonight or today, right now is, so I got a sample, right? By the way, if I make an original song, I barely have samples on it, because samples are not that easy to clear. So I don't usually use samples. It's fun. It's so much fun to use samples. Trust me. You know, because samples is hip-hop is samples. So when hip-hop started, it was all about samples. You got to get that vinyl. You have to scratch. You have to find the best portion of it. You take it, and then you make your record out of it. So you can't get away from the fact that hip-hop is sample, which is good. But guess what? If we keep using samples of older music, who's going to make original music that other people will sample 30 years from now? So you still got to make original music that other folks can sample 30 years from now. Alright? So I've made a lot of records online. My albums, I have 3 albums online. Boom J, you know, go to Spotify, iTunes. Boom J, none of those have samples in it. Maybe my most recent album has samples in it, but you know, you can't recognize it. Like it's barely used. You know what I mean? It's barely noticeable. So, but I do. So I try to make original music. But once in a while, when I run into some samples that I like that I want to use, you know, I might use it, make a video out of it just for the fun of it. All right. So I think I got a Patti LaBelle sample that I want to see what I can do with it. So let me load that up, and then we'll be back and then show you what's good, what's really good. Alright, so I'm here.
Almost meet our moment of truth. The same shiesty cast.
I'm gonna drop that right here on this pad, right here. So I'm gonna drop it. I'm not sure if you can see my screen, but so what you do is when I drop it, so if I want to get full control of this, I gotta change it to I gotta go to the pitch, change it to from one shot, change it to ADS SR, so I can hit it. So I want to be able to hit it and let it go. So if you have it in one shot, which is the default, you can't really control it. You know, it keeps running and running, it keeps playing. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm down to my slice and dice. Slice and dice.